So in 2015, I learned Python for the first time and I liked automation. I was obsessed with automation and I wanted to automate almost everything. In 2019, I became a software developer freelancer. I had a simple script that automated this. I just write the task, what is done, what is yet to be done on Microsoft Excels, and I just hit enter, generate an invoice for this. That was a nice automation. I gave it to some of my friends. It was a bit popular among them. For the first time, I had this idea of a crypto agreement system where you can manage your tasks, your payments, and your agreements in just one single place. But I wasn't very motivated to build this until I met a few people from Russia. They were like, we don't have platform that accept us just because we are from Russia. Later, I met someone from Malaysia and from Indonesia. They are like, just we are from different country, we're getting paid less. Imagine we have a platform that can give you verification without showing your country. So we are implementing this KYC system that give you the verification on your platform without showing your full information. So it's a type of zero knowledge proof. Few years ago, when I apply for a job, maybe I apply for 20 jobs and I got 2 or 3 interviews out of them. But in the last few months, the problem become much worse. You have to apply for 600 jobs before you actually get 2 or 3 interviews, and it keep getting worse. Too many people they think the problem is the AI is replacing us. Well, it's kind of true. The AI is replacing the labor work, but the high skills work are not replaced. The human creativity is still needed. So what's actually happening is the number of jobs are increasing and the number of talent are increasing and just becoming messy and chaotic. That's why we made the AI job match. I was talking to ChatGPT and I was like, okay, make me a photo. What if you can just talk to ChatGPT? Hey, hire someone for me. Let's just say your friend is living in a different part of the world. You can just, hey, pick the best suitable meeting for us. Well, this is what we are building right now. Our business model is very simple. We have a few sources of income like priority boost for your profile. The most important one is we take 5% of the transactions that people make. And to break even, if there are 50 startups hiring and they are paying up $2,000 a month on average, within 9 months, we will break even. So my name is Ali. I'm the founder of oDoc, and I have a very great team. Tabarak, a cybersecurity expert, an early investor like Joshua, the founder of ICP Insider, and he's the head of our marketing. James is from Taiwan. He's most experienced developer that we have, and Kolada, front-end developer. Ivan from Paris. He is a SEO expert, and he's also experienced in testing.